Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the time on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. In the device options, tap Device Time. You can then use the arrows to select the correct time and tap OK to save the time. The time on your Kindle has now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.